Hey guys, Mickey Albert here at Johnson RV in Sandy, Oregon. We're America's #1 premium pre-owned RV dealer. Today we're going to take a few minutes to go over a brand new 2020 Midwest Passage, and this is the 144 chassis. Couple of cool things. So Midwest quality builder. They do a lot of sleek things to keep it, less cutouts on the outside. Really keep that nice, solid, soundproofing van. So again, you get great ground effects, nice big running boards, and you get a nice sleek look. This one we went ahead and ordered with the more of an off-road wheel and then the BFG all-terrain tires. So again, just gives it a great look, great handling if you are going to do a little bit of dry camping or be on some gravel roads. Again, you can just tell by looking, not a lot of cutouts, not a lot of vents. And then again, you have that nice automatic awning. So when you do get out on a day like this, you can have a little bit of shade. And that's going to be an automatic awning with a wind sensor. So if you get out on a hike, get some wind, that's going to close up so you don't come back and there's some damage to your van. Again, you can tell nice big windows they do a great job with. And then again, coming around the back, you've got your rear view camera, which now on the new chassis you can set to 3 different angles. So if you want to see what you're backing up against, or you want to see wide angled, you have that feature now. Set up with a tow hitch and all the wiring's done. That's going to be standard on this chassis. And then again, as I was saying, just a few cutouts all down lower, so you get that just beautiful van look. So you have obviously your exhaust from the generator. You have your 30 amp plug, shore power right there. And then you do have your hooks, and I don't have the key, but you have your cable and your power, your fresh water, all that is right down here. Hot and cold outdoor shower you have. And then again right here, nice and simple, you have your black and gray dump tank. So overall, beautiful outside chassis, not a lot of cutouts. I'm going to explain more about what they do for road noise, insulation, and the quality of the build once we get inside. Hey guys, Mickey Albert again. We're inside that 2020 Midwest Passage 144 I was telling you about. I think you're going to see real quick how quality the inside's done, and just such a cool look. First thing, they changed their screens for this year, so much more heavy duty if you are going to be outdoors a little bit and in the elements. So we've got a nice framed in door, easy slide back and forth. You don't got to worry about being super careful with it. Much better built this year. And then other than that, as you're coming in, we've got a fantastic fan right above us. We've got awesome JLB audio all around. And then coming on in, you can see this is an upgraded seat stitching that they did this year. So just one of the options that they have from an interior standpoint. But again, I think for one, it looks cool. It's very nice. And then again, this is that 2020 chassis. So all the nice, comfortable steering wheel, all of your settings. We have voice activation from Mercedes this year, which is great. So you can just see, how comfortable, how nice it is. One thing that Midwest did really well is they added an extra panel. So everything in here is going to be touchscreen. This is just one of the panels, but if you want to control lighting, you want to do generator, you want to do anything, you actually don't have to do it from back in the coach. You can do it before you even get out of your seat once you get parked. So just a cool feature that they added. I'm going to come back and slide right by you. But other than that, we get into the middle of the coach. We've got great size bathroom. So in both doors open, we can slide that so you have plenty of space. You've got your shower curtain. But again, for this size of a coach, I think you have a little bit bigger bathroom than most. Coming with, kitchen-wise, again, in the short Sprinter chassis, we've got a nice little setup. You've got your refrigerator right here. We've got a nice size sink. And then again, that nice matching plate to go over the top and an induction stove. So if you are going to make a sandwich, you're going to make something up, you got it right here. And again, you have that nice screen door that I already showed you. They do a great job with the cabinetry. And so one of the things that I want to talk about Midwest is their quality and the noise canceling from whether it's road noise, you know, parked along the freeway. So they use a residential style insulation. It's going to have like an R11 rating. But they do that in the floors, the ceiling. They do that in the sidewalls. Then as they start building their construction, you can see we've got an ultra leather wrap around the cabinets. We even have it inside the cabinets. And that has, if you touch it and feel it, a little bit of memory foam in it as well. All of that just couples with the insulation to keep the noise down. You have a great, you know, conversation while you're parked or sitting on the side of the road. And then as you're driving, because of the way they do it in the furniture, the chassis, it just has a nice, smooth, quiet ride. So one thing that people love about Midwest fans. Getting back to the back, fairly simple. Obviously you've got a lounge, automatically goes down into your bed, and then if you want to use the attachments, you can close this in. You have about a queen size bed. The third panel that I'm telling you about is right here. So again, I can be right here. I can turn on and off the lights, start the generator. You don't have to keep going back and forth to find the closest panel. We have a TV, full entertainment system back here as well. Nice big windows that open. And then obviously we have the back, and the back has a nice day shade and night shade as well. So please come out and see us. We just got them in. The 2020 Midwest Passages. We have the 144s and the 170s. Again, my name is Mickey Albert. Contact information up above. Johnson RV and Sandy, come and see us.